Welcome to this easy but energizing session. I hope you enjoy it. Let's start with some self-massage. So rub your hands and gently tap all your body. Now rest the hands on your lower tummy. Exhale and close your eyes. Notice how do you feel? Open your eyes. Now let's shake the tree, a great way to release tension and to move your energy. Keep the hands in front of the lower abdomen, palms facing up. Close your eyes and notice your feelings and sensations. Knocking the door of life. A great way to mobilize your spine. So twist your upper body, allow the arms to be soft and allow them to massage the lower tummy and the lower back, also your kidneys. Exhale, rest the hands on the lower tummy, close your eyes and notice, how do you feel? Let's go to the floor, sit down. You can stay on a chair if you want, or maybe sit on a block or a cushion. Make sure that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. If you want, you can repeat with me, mentally or aloud, some great affirmations to start your day. I am the creator of my life. This day will never happen again. I will enjoy it. I use my energy and my time to build, to grow, to spread joy and love. I am abundance, I am healthy, I am loved and loved. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. When you are ready, bring the hands in front of the heart center in prayer position. Rub your hands and bring them in front of your eyes. Release the hands, open your eyes. The last suggestion is to write down some things that you feel grateful for. I have a gratitude journal. It helps me a lot to start the day with great energy. Thank you for sharing your time, your practice with me. Have a lovely rest of the day. If you find this video useful, maybe like it, comment it, or subscribe so you can enjoy more videos like this. I hope to see you soon and namaste.